This one is called. All right, stop. Hey, this one's very. Stop. This one's called Sexually Assault the Soul.
Children, we're called Dirty Diaper.
I am a Viking, sent down with my sword to rape and pillage your sexual village. Viking, 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 Viking! 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 Long blonde hair swinging to and fro. Nordic fucker, I'm a Viking. I arrive on my ship, and I take a big ship. I arrive on my ship, and I take a big ship. Vikings, Vikings, Vikings killing you. Vikings love to raid your hiding. You better hide your ass when a Viking comes to town. There's a Viking coming for you. It's gonna make your life brown. Nordic, Scandinavian, Swedish Vikings having an orgy to make the ultimate Viking. Viking! I scream at the sky for a Viking guy. He comes down and rapes me in the eye. He wants to grab my short sword and show me how to have sex like a Viking. It's a Viking's world. I'm a Viking girl. I love Viking cock. It's not circumcised, so I suck on a Viking with a dick that's bigger than a fucking stick. Vikings everywhere. They wear bearskin underwear. They ride ships. They eat chips. Vikings, Vikings, Vikings!